Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, October the 15th, 2018. Well, let's take a look and see how much this much anticipated Monday went after last week's pullback. And first, we'll go ahead and take a look at IWM. And we can see here we did have a green candle, about average volume, maybe a little bit above. So that was very, very good to see a little bit of a gain in the Russell 2000 small caps. And you can see here quite a bit of volatility. Well, the other three indices we followed did not fare as well. The spiders pulled back, and once again, you can see the choppy session they had. So they pulled back. Just average volume. Well, it wasn't a major pullback, so just a little bit more of a pullback. The Qs pulled back maybe a little bit more, and you can see the choppiness within the Qs there. And the diamonds, very choppy session, but they closed right at lows, so not too good there. Quick look through the FANG stocks, and you can see pretty much they all pulled back. There's Apple, there's Amazon, you can see Netflix here pulling back. You can see Facebook, even though it has a green candle, it closed very close to where it closed Friday, but still down. And Google pulled back as well. So a little bit of a tough market there. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at Holly. And I told you last week we were going to have a new look, and now we are able to see all three of our Hollies at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a look through and see how we fared. The Holly Grill had 11 trades. Risk off profit was 55 cents. Risk on profit was $1.28. If we look through it, her best trade for risk off was 28 cents. And that was ESPR, a short trade. And you can see here where she got into it and where she got out of it. And had she held it till the end of the day, she would have had 73 cents profit on it. So that was the best in both categories. Now, Holly 2.0 had 15 trades. She lost $1.40. Now, the risk on, she lost $1.47. We'll take a look at the trades there. And we can see here her risk off. Her best trade was GOGO, the 12 cents profit, and that was a long trade. And the risk on was only 4 cents on there. And the risk on, the best trade was WHD. She lost 28 cents on it originally, but had you held it till the end of the day or got back in, you would have made 12 cents. So nothing big there. And Holly Neo was 65 cents risk off profit. The risk on profit was a minus $5.55 on 22 trades. Her risk off profit, she had $1.13 on UBNT. And there's the daily chart. Here's the intraday chart, so you can see what a nice trade that was. So she made $1.13 on it, but had you held till the end of the day, you can see we had this reversal, and you actually would have lost. And the risk on, her best trade was, let's see here, was the same one. That was actually the best one in both categories. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. I apologize. And we'll look here and CUTR, a long trade. She had a 30-cent profit. She had 38 cents on the risk off, 30 cents on the risk on, a long trade. So there you have that. Let me bring my chart in here so I can show you how it totaled out. All three Hollies had 48 trades for a loss of 20 cents. And the risk on profit was a minus $5.74. So that is your Holly update. And I just want to remind you about the Trade Idea Summit that we are having this Saturday. And that's going to be in San Diego, California. And the bad news is that the tickets are all sold out. And if you don't have your ticket, you cannot attend. But the good news is we are going to have a free live streaming of that event. It's going to be Saturday, the 20th, so this Saturday coming up. I will be there, so my video Friday may be late or maybe non-existent, and I will be traveling on Monday coming back to my home area, so the video Monday might not happen, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to get a video in on Friday or not, but certainly we'll try to keep the data and get one out early next week to give you some recaps and bring you up to date on everything. But go ahead, click on this here, get signed up for it. It's absolutely free. You'll even get free access to an HD archive of each speaker's presentation. We've got some great speakers going to be with us. I'll have them all listed in the comments of the YouTube video along with the link there, so hope you can join us. And as always, you can follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. And if you got anything out of this video, I ask you go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I appreciate that. And, maybe drop in a comment. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there at the lower right. And we'd love to have you watch the videos every day. And, hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.